Muslim football players from different countries. N'Golo Kante, France. Ilkay Gundogan, Germany. Mohamed Salah, Egypt. Riyad Mahrez, Algeria. Naby Keita, Guinea. Kurt Zouma, France. Sami Khedira, Germany. Arouane Fellaini, Belgium. Achraf Hakimi, Morocco. Sadio Mane, Senegal. Paul Pogba, France. Saïd Benrahma, Algeria. Edin Dzeko, Bosnia. Granit Xhaka, Switzerland. Antonio Rudiger, Germany. Hakim Ziyech, Morocco. Nuri Sahin, Turkey. Mesut Ozil, Germany. Adnan Januzaj, Belgium. Karim Benzema, France. Eldor Shomurodov, Uzbekistan. Miralem Pjanic, Bosnia. Arnaut Danjuma, Netherlands. Sead Kolasinac, Bosnia. Idrissa Gueye, Senegal. Nabil Fekir, France. Xherdan Shaqiri, Switzerland. Abdou Diallo, Senegal. Ibrahima Konate, France. Essel Saroy, Italy. Mohamed Elneny, Egypt. Ousmane Dembele, France. Nassir Mazraoui, Morocco. Ferland Mendy, France. El Mohammadi, Egypt. Mahmoud Dawood, Germany. Kalidou Koulibaly, Senegal. Fauzi Goulam, Algeria. Tiemoue Bakayoko, France. Ansu Fati, Spain. Ibrahim Afellay, Netherlands. Aya Sanogo, France. Mary Demriel, Turkey. Virat Djimsty, Albania. Sofiane Amrabat, Morocco. Wesley Fofana, France. Karim Ziyech, Algeria. Yassine Bounou, Morocco. Thomas Partey, Ghana. Red Krunic, Bosnia. Hakan Çalhanoğlu, Turkey. Edouard Mendy, Senegal. Franck Ribéry, France. Zinedine Zidane, France. Ali Daei, Iran. Yaya Toure, Ivory Coast. Kolo Toure, Ivory Coast. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Unique Data World.